video part 5 of the heat pump heaven. More heat pumps. As you can see, these are all central air conditioners, but only one of them is a ductless split. It's a Mitsubishi Mr. Slim, but it's kind of a weird Mr. Slim. I saw that Mr. Slim air conditioners have a really long and weird inside unit. It's not running. Boy, those heat pumps up there are very loud. This is basically what's making most of the noise. A loud and squeaky Ducane, and I think it's gonna blow up. Gotta get out of here. I actually fixed it. I don't know what is wrong with the heat pump, but the motor looks like it's about to blow. It's got some wires. Anyway, loud and squeaky. And first I thought that was Bryant, but it's actually a pane. Here's a pane, and there's a Ducane and a Mitsubishi Mr. Slim. This pane is also running. And here's a Carrier Tech2000. Basically all of the Carrier Tech2000s here are like this. It's not really a noisy one though. You can't really hear it because of this loud Ducane that's about to blow up. Maybe it's that Ford right there that's... Here's the Ducane again. Very shaky, see? The Bryant and the Tech2000. Most of these heat pumps have really warm air. But I think one of them is actually a straight cool. So here's another train like this. All of these here are running, including this Tech2000. There's the train, Tech2000. So here's the train, the Tech2000, and the pane, and the obnoxious Ducane, ticking Ducane that seems like it's about to blow up. So are some of the air conditioners. And there is a train down there. It's actually running. It's so silent, it's like so quiet I can barely even hear it. You can't even tell that it's running, especially with that loud cane right there. I gotta move out of here. Somebody in there. And there's some Goodmans over here. And there's one right there that sounds like my Carrier Tech2000. These are like the Goodmans in Goodman heaven. It's an energy guide heat pump. It is very noisy. Probably one of the noisiest air conditioners. Last time I went here, my brother told me that there was a Goodman somewhere over here that scared him, and I think it was that one over there. Here's another Goodman. It is so quiet, especially compared to that noisy one right there. Maybe it's just because it's long. And this XC1000 is not running. It's a train, of course. Noisy Goodman and quiet Goodman. See the difference? There are like 3 Goodmans in this area. And here's another York with the energy guide system, just like those Goodmans right there. See? Energy guide. And this is the only American standard that I saw in this whole entire place, and it's perhaps the only one. It's an Alliance 13, like the ones at the boarding school that I was visiting that other day. It's very quiet, you see. American standards and this one, they're usually the quiet ones. And here's a huge Carrier Infinity series, high efficiency heat pump. You can see inside it. It is very big, but it doesn't really have. And here's a Goodman. I think this is that one that David was talking about. The logo again is scratched over here. I fixed it now. Well, not really. I think this is that Goodman. It is. It's an energy guide. There's this Goodman, that Goodman, and the other Goodman, and this Carrier Tech2000 right here. The silencer system, but it's not running. And it's a heat pump. You can see its guts inside it. A Carrier Tech2000 silencer system. And a Carrier Infinity series right here. So there's a train right here that's running over here. So again, we have this Goodman, that Tech2000, train XC1200, another train, two Goodmans right there, silencer system, Carrier Infinity series, another train, and Mr. Slim, the loud squeaky the loud squeaky Ducane. It's about to blow up, well, not really. And a Carrier Tech2000 and another train. I think that's just about it. So here are the heat pumps in this area. I hope you enjoy the video. Out.